All right, guys, it's RM ZILLA time. Tim and I are gonna get this front end installed here. Little tip for you: anytime you're assembling our triple clamps, I recommend putting a little bit of grease on there just to ensure the bolt goes in smooth. Let's get to it. The fork guard's installed. We've got some random controls here like the ASV levers, Renthal grips, Renthal handlebars. And that's going to be the kill switch. So nice little billet piece. Let's get the bars on. All right, guys, that's where the video is going to stop today. We are actually getting our shop completely packed up, and we're heading west. So you probably saw in our other video that we're moving. I mean, we've literally been just packing everything this week. So our goal is to actually only have about 2 weeks worth of downtime in terms of production. We actually have been fairly caught up on everything, which is great. So my guys have been hammering orders out and got us caught up. So in terms of getting the shop going, our other shop is pretty much all set to go. We're just hiring some riggers to come in. They're gonna move our entire shop out west within I'd say a 4-day drive, and we'll be up and running again. So stay tuned for more videos. This bike is gonna be finished up in our Arizona location. It just made sense for us to, instead of trying to rush it and do all that. So you guys like what we're doing, comment below, share these videos. We really appreciate all the subscribers, and we wouldn't be here without you guys. So stay tuned for more cool stuff.